Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.
Heart valve disease is a common problem that causes shortness of breath and greatly affects quality of life. Dr. Scott Ross highlights the comprehensive team approach that offers state-of-the-art technology and high-quality care right here at Roper St. Francis Healthcare.
Roper's put together a very coordinated team approach to help these patients through this journey and choose what we think is the most successful procedure with the least amount of risk.
Cardiac surgeons, interventional cardiologists, and electrophysiologists all work together in this process.
We have now multiple different treatment options, from surgical options, minimally invasive surgical options, and now even more so catheter-based options with catheters and wires and stents, as opposed to having to open the chest, to make them feel better and get back to their quality of life.
For more information, call 843-402-CARE, and for more House Calls TV, visit us online at rsfh.com. I'm Angela May.
Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.